2 hours south of Denver is Cripple Creek, an old mining town with a lot of historical places to look at, good food, and of course, gambling. If you're looking for a place to eat, I can recommend The Creek. It's a whimsical old bar with good food and a good beer selection. And of course, there are plenty of stores for shopping. And grenade spices, anyone?
It was built in 1894, and it was an elementary and high school when they first started, but it ended at a high school in 1977. Then another owner, it was vacant for like 20 years, and then another owner had bought it, and they did the renovations of the rooms, but the rooms did not have a bathroom. You had to use the end of the hallway bathrooms like it at the school had. And then they sold it to another owner that remodeled it and put the bathrooms in, and all the furnitures that you see in here now were from them. And then Bronco Billy's had bought it right after COVID.
And now it's part of Charmonix?
Yes.
Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
The old homestead was one of Cripple Creek's most notorious parlor houses, which means a brothel. Let's check it out.
It was for the rich man. So before a gentleman could come in the door, he had to fill out a letter of application. He was placed on a waiting list while the madam checked his references and his finances. If she found he was of good character, truly a millionaire, he was allowed to visit the girls by appointment only.
And prostitutes!
Was sometimes called Nell. The dresser in this room has its original marble, and the drawer pulls are called teardrops. A lot of them didn't like their pictures taken.
On top of each other, somebody dig down, go into somebody else's tunnel.
It's just awkward. Yeah.
And here we are at the Charmonix Casino. From the outside, it looks just as rinky-dink as everything else in Cripple Creek. But once you go inside, it looks almost like Vegas. So, welcome to the Charmonix. All right, let's do a quick room tour of the Charmonix. Hello. Very nice. Nice big TV. Beautiful view. I just happened to get a ninth floor to ceiling windows. Look at that view. Pretty awesome. Wow. I mean, it is perfect. Let's check out the bathroom. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very clean, and it comes with a robe. And here I can look throughout the window. It is an incredible shower. Yeah, that's definitely one of the nicer places I stayed. Welcome to the Charmonix. Thumbs up, all clean. And from my hotel room, I can even see deer. Well, how much more can you ask for? Another great place to go to in Cripple Creek is the Molly Kathleen Mine. I've seen it before. Check out this video right here. Even the casino bathroom is immaculate. All right, let's go check out the casino, win some money, and, well, at least get free drinks at the bar. Are you winning anything?
No, not at the moment.